Remember you talk about good missing up in a dog and squash man they want in a dog. I hold it more in a dog. Remember good no man. I hold it more you chat time for chat them kill you now.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tea Time with T. Yes, hi, I'm Tina. I am the face behind the camera. And in today's video, we will discuss Dawg has been allegedly involved in and he got injured in his arm and mouth. It was alleged also that his cousin or bodyguard was unalived in that incident. We're going to go over that. Also, there was a big car accident in Kingston on North Street. Yeah, so much to go over this evening. It's kind of a dull day. But if this is your first time on my channel, welcome. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Also like this video. Thank you for your support. And stay tuned. Let's get into it.
Tonight, police say one man is and another is in the hospital. Family members swarm the hospital desperate for answers, and that's how we learned the victims are cousins. Good evening, I'm Elliot Rodriguez.
And I'm Lauren Pastrana. Thank you for joining us. Let's get right over to CBS News Miami's Peter Dent. She joins us live from Miramar, where the chaos broke out. And Peter, the cousins were at a party the night before?
That's right. You know, Lauren and Elliot, family members came to this busy scene right here on State Road 7 following the that actually happened nearby. New surveillance tape captures some dramatic images. It is 3:37 in the morning when surveillance tape captures this black BMW pulling over on the side of State Road 7 next to a police officer. The driver and a passenger get out, ask for help, and say a man who has been is in back of the car. Police say the incident happened nearby, close to this Dunkin' Donuts at Southwest 62nd Avenue and Miramar Parkway.
I hear multiple one after the other.
Patricia Riviera lives nearby.
Almost immediately after the gunshots, I would say within a minute or two at most, you could hear the police already responding.
Another neighbor shared this video where you can see the Dunkin' Donuts from her front door.
So yes, Jamaican social media personality Akeen Dawg Dunbar is reportedly receiving treatment at the Memorial Regional Hospital in Florida after being shot and injured in an overnight shooting in Miramar, Florida, that claimed the life of another male, which allegedly they said it was his cousin. Everybody has heard by now, but so I saw this live on Moon 10. I'm not sure if it's a recent live, but he was crying on live saying, you know, actually, no one retaliates or whatever. But I want to check this out. Y'all let me know if this is a recent live, because he was hiding his face and crying. You know, it sounded like he in a pain, like he just happened. So check this out.
Come on, dog. You can't is for weakness, brother. I mean, I tell you this, dog. Go to the days, youth. I want to make me a cry, dog. It's like me can't hold on in a real life, it can't youth. Me can't hold on in a real life, it can't hold on, dog. I want to come out, dog. I want to take my kindness, my weakness, youth. I'm just saying, I'm hold it, dog. I'm hold it months. But hold it for months, on top of months, you don't deal me like a pussy. Look how much good things me do, boy. Look how much good things me do, boy. I phone on you. I don't go like me, I do nothing, dog. I share my platform with how much I own on you. I want to make you all people that look for me like you're a biggest pussy, dog.
Bro, you always tell me so before you meet Yannick, the next girl where you get pregnant, you now make she live. You now make she live with the baby. And you know see a pitney grow. I say, alright bro, go on up for your son 4 months. Go on up for your son 4 months, bro. And the dog said, bro, I go away. I say, what time are your flight? The dog said 4 o'clock. I say, give me a flight. I'm sending around me so nobody know have to search you. I go on up, I call Alan. I say, what time are your flight? Them tell me. I send the bus for them, the bus bring home everybody. Ella, the whole of them go home. I say 6, what time I go? 6 of them I go drive, go back to Westmoreland. They make everybody reach home. I ask the team, bless them when them out. The team, bless them, text me and tell me when them I go. I say, alright sis. Team, bless them, reach home, them text me and say, me reach home, bro. Thanks for the weekend. And I just say, me sacrifice my friend. Me? set up, my friend. Me?
Eva Boss came out and posted a picture and said, Jaja, I'm glad I still
wake up this morning, bro. I don't need that.
Integral Boss, XXX, Speedy Recovery, bro, G, and take back Jamaican media, use a legend, XXX. Yeah, so the whole media is in a frenzy. We hope say and pull through. But so Miss Triple had given us a little insight on what's going on with Dawg. She say, they have to go do surgery on him, and so check this out.
Keep him, but he'll be fine. It's just that the bullets broke the bones in his hand, in his arm, so they're going to do a surgery to repair it.
You heard that, people? So he's going to do a surgery to repair his arm. Hopefully, everything come true and him come back and, everything all right. So Blinger went live, to talk about the situation. Some of the people in the comment section were being really mean, and she have to put them in a place. So check this out.
Well, Dawg has been and we're also hearing that he's going to be okay. We hear said the security and World Dawg is in the hospital. First we heard he was in critical condition, but now we hear he's doing okay.
Oh my God.
And we are we're grateful for that. So that what
I'm sorry for hear this. Me not like this. Me not like this. People no go down on the knee and no pray. We not talk about, we not even know what happened, we not chat. Most of them don't know what happened.
Me never care what them actually.
Look how much on the youth help. Pray for the youth. You just negative, you don't know when to build. This is not the time for it. We as Jamaican, we need to come together.
Look at girl come up here about hypocrite Blinger. You know that about me and World Dawg?
Yes. This is not the time.
You don't know anything about me and
This is not the time or the place, girl.
Swiftly even made a post 2 hours ago. He said, speedy recovery, bro, crying emoji, Dawg. And then he said, you wouldn't went out if I was there. Recovery. He also posted, this is the cousin of World Dawg, bro, joy. It's a sad evening. I'm so sorry that this happened, Hopefully things will be better in a few days, Speedy recovery, World Dawg. So at the time of this current recording, I ran into a video with this youth and one named Butta. And some things were said in the video, and people are alleged say maybe Butta have something to do with it. Because in the video, Butta say, mention one artist name and say, if him fit chat and the artist say shows missing, say World Dawg would have unalive, is it possible that this person is responsible for what happened last night or whenever I am? Check this out. But just like me say yesterday, so you can't threaten people online because things lead back to when you ever hear about data, they can track your data. Like why not do that? Anyway, check this out.
Remember this boy, remember you sit down and chat squash man, them no back. Remember good no boy. Remember good no dog, a whole lot of things me not talk about here, sir. You hear that? Remember good no man. Dog, I go your dead mother boy. Remember you walk and talk about woman getting a better. I been for call the girl name over here, sir. Whole lot of sit down now one camp. Now bad boy, none of them can marry and rush me. No, me live to your own gun, yeah, then I call up me. I walk and talk about something, but remember you talk about missing up in a dog and squash man, they want in a dog. I hold it more in a dog. Remember good no man. I hold it more you chat and for chat them now. Remember good no man. Say ratings you look better and did it better.
Boy, this don't look good at all. It don't look good. It don't look good. I'm really worried for World Dawg because I've picked me a family. So you go when then come for you and it. But I don't know. I don't even want to say nothing, but wish him all the best. But tell me what you guys think in the comment section. Anyways, that's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching, and make sure you hit the subscribe button. Okay, hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any of my latest videos. And also, I'd really appreciate it if you leave a like on this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.